Hi everyone, we have Dynamic Duo BB plus CC Hybrid Stick made in Korea, available in 4 different shades, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So by number ang imuhang pagpilian niya shades ani. It can save your money and time. Why? Because it has 8 benefits in one daily stick. It can be as your primer, concealer, foundation, moisturizer. So dili na nimo kinahanglan na paliton usa-usa kay pang all-in-one na si DD stick. Primer mo na siya una ginabutang sa atong face ay hang makeup. Pero si DD stick lang without makeup, it can gives you natural makeover. Concealer mo nag-cover sa atong imperfections like pimples, wound, and scars. So asa pa ka na, primer na nimo siya, concealer, foundation. And anyway, mo ni siya kung ginagamit basta na ako yung mga lakaw, dinalian nga lakaw. And it can be as your moisturizer kay even nga na